We got water outside the ladder. What happens if I do it on a full one? Hand me that blue Circle K ladder. Yes. Watch my.
There. You can see through the window right there.
Oh shit! Ready? Oh, what the hell?
The hell, Bobby?
Let's go back. Oh, shit. Come on, do something. Whoa! Oh shit. Fuck you, I'm going all out on this one. Seriously? Oh, it's getting big. You see it getting big? Oh, fucking. Whoa! Damn! That all? Damn! Lighters to galore. On fire in front on the trailer park. Can't get redneck than that.